Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Okay, from previous session we have started chapter 5 factors and multiples, and previous session we have learned how to make a factor. Okay, let's revise it. Here is an example 18. Okay, now see here 18 means 1 multiply by 18. ओके 1 18 जा 18 मीन्स 18 को कौन कौन से नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन वी गेट रिमाइंडर 0. ओके 1 18 जा 18, you know. Then after 1 we have to take 2, you know. 2 means 18 divided by 2. 2 9 जा 18. Okay children. So 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. Here remainder is 0. So 2 multiply by 9 means 2 9s are 18. Okay children. Now after 2 we will see 3. Come on. Say the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. And look here, when we divide 18 by 3, 3 6 are 18, and we will get the remainder 0. Means here is a 3 6 are 18, means 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. Okay, now 4. Come on, say 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. There is no 18 in 4th table, so 4 is not a factor of 18. Okay, then 5, no, not possible, because in 5's table there is number 0 and 5 in 1's place, and here is 1's place, there is 8, so we cannot divide 18 by 5. Okay, 6, come on, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Here when we divide 18 by 6, 6 3s are 18, and we'll get the remainder 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so 6 is also the factor of 18. But children, look here, 6 3s are, and we already written here 3 6 are 18, so don't write 6 3s are 18. Means these are the factors of 18. Now you know, means what? Thus here this 1 2 3 6, then 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Are the factors of 18. Okay children, now you understand this. Now see here children, here in this number, every time every number has 1 and itself, means 1 and itself. If we will take another number here 15. Okay, now you know 15 means 15 is equal to 1 multiplied by 15, because when we divide 15 by 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 minus 1 0, then we will take 5 down, then 1 5s are 5. Okay, means 5 minus 5 0. This 1 is always have a factor of any number. Okay, and 15, yes, 15 1s are 15, means 15 is also the factor. After 1, when we will take 2, but there is no 15 in 2's table, and in 2's table there are even numbers in the tables only, because 2 is even number and 15 is odd number. This 5 is odd number, so we cannot divide 15 by 2. So 2 is not a, I'll show you. Look here, 15 2 7s are 14. Okay, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 1 0. Here we get remainder 1. So 2 is not a factor of 15. Okay children. Now 3. Yes, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. After 3, 4. 4 is also even number and 15 is odd number. So there is no 15 in 4's table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Okay. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. But we already write this 3 5s are 15. So no need to write this 5 3s are 15. Means here children, 1, 3, this 5 and 15 are the factors of 50. Okay, and in this number 1 is a factor of number and this number itself is a factor of numbers. Also in this example 18 there is a factor 1 and that numbers. Means what children? Every number has 1 and itself as its factor. 1 and itself as a factor. Okay children? Now you know children, every number has 1 and itself. Okay? 1 and itself as its factors. Okay? And as I show you, see here, 16 is equal to 1 multiplied by 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then in 3's table there is no 16. After 4 4s are 16. Okay? Here are the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4. Here is another 4, but don't write this 4 again. Then 8 and 16. So see here, every number has 1, this one and itself, means this 16 as its factors. Understand children? Okay. And we can find the factors of a number by multiplication. Yes children, by multiplication and or division. Okay children? Yes, look here. Here is multiplication. 1 16s are 16. This is multiplication. 2 8s are 16. Then 4 4s are 16. Means we can find the factors of a number by multiplication. Okay? And wait, I show you one example of this division. If we will take 24. Okay? Now 24 and we have to find out the factors of 24. Now we have to find factors with the help of division. Now here division method means 24 divided by 1. Yes, see here 24 divided by 1. 1 2s are 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 0. Then take down this 4. Then 1 4s are 4 and we get the remainder 0. Okay, means 24 divided by 1 is equal to 24. Now after 1, 2. 24 divided by 2. Again see here, 24 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 0. Then take down this 4. Then 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. So 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 or we can write this 24 divided by 1 is equal to 24 and 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 like this. Okay. Then 1, 2. Then we will take 3. Okay. See here. Yes, you know. In 3's table there is 24. 3 8s are 24. Means like this. 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. And this 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Yes, children. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 4 6s are 24. We get remainder 0. Now 5. No, we cannot divide 5 because there is no 24 in 5's table. Then after 5, 6. 24 divided by 6. Yes, 24 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. But we already written here 4 and 6. So, no need to write here. Now, tell me the factors of 24. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then this 6, then 8, then 12 and then 24. Okay. These are the factors of 24. Factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Means इन सब नंबर से हम 24 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं and when we divide by these numbers we get remainder 0. Okay, and by division we can find the factors. By multiplication we can find the factors of a number. Okay, children. And here you see here this 1 and this number itself are the factors of every number. 1 and the number itself has a factor of itself. Okay, children. Now you understand, and we can find the factors. See here, we can find the factors of a number by multiplication or division. Okay. Now children, we will solve one exercise with factors of a number by multiplication. Okay. Children, we will find factors of a number by multiplication in next video. Thank you.